Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial on database management system. Today we are going to discuss about what is the foreign key in database management system. In the previous classes we already discussed about the different keys in DBMS. Okay, primary key, super key, candidate key. All of these keys are important when it comes to the maintenance of a relational database structure. So today we are going to learn what is the foreign key in database management systems. Let us go to the video. What is a foreign key in a DBMS? Foreign keys are the columns of a table that points to the primary key of another table. We already studied primary key, super key, candidate key. All these keys are applied to only one table. Okay. There is no any relationship between two tables. But when we considering the foreign key, these are the columns of a table that points to the primary key of another table. Okay, then it means it is used to connect the relationship between two tables. Okay, so one table that contain the columns, that is the foreign key that points to the primary key of another table. So using this key, we have to express the relationship between two tables and to maintain data integrity and also allow navigation between two different instances of an entity. So just to understand, it acts as a cross reference between two tables. Reference means the one key that is referred to the another key of another table. Okay, or foreign key that is just referred to the primary key of another table. So this key is used to express the relationship between two tables or just to show how the two tables are connected. Let us discuss with an example. Here in this example we have two tables. One is the department and the another is teacher table. Okay. So table teachers and department in a school. These are the two tables are given here. But there is no way to see which teacher work in which department. Okay, here the department table contain three columns that are department code, department name and phone number. This is the department table. And this one is the teacher table. Okay, teacher table contain teacher ID and their first name and last name. But we can't see any relationship between these two tables. There is no way to see which teacher work in which department. Okay, we can't tell the teacher, this David, this work in which department. We can identify from these two tables. Okay. So adding the foreign key in department code to the teacher name, we can create relationship between the two. Okay. To create a relationship between these two tables, we can add department code to this teacher table. Okay. So here department code, when we are adding this attribute or this column, when we are adding this department code to the table teacher, we can find the relationship between these two tables. Okay, when we add this column to here, that it means B002 is here we are given the department code also, that is 001. Then we can say the teacher is working which department? Electronics department. Okay. So we have to create a relationship between two tables by just adding a key. So that key is known as the foreign key. So this foreign key that is referred to the primary key of another table. Okay. So when we adding this department code to the teacher table, that is we are just adding here one more column, that is department code. Okay. Department code. Then that department code is the foreign key of this table. That is department code is the foreign key of the teacher table that is referred to the primary key of the department table. Okay, because department code is the primary key of this table. Okay, this is the primary key of the department table. Then this key this foreign key that refer to the primary key of this department table. So we have to create the relationship between these two tables by just adding a column. That column is known as a foreign key. So just understand, foreign key is a key that is added to a particular table and point to the primary key of another table and to create the relationship between two tables. Okay. Here the two tables are showing. In the previous example, we already shown these two tables. One is the department table and another is the teacher table. Here we are adding last column, that is the department code, to the teacher table. That is known as the foreign key. Okay, this is the foreign key of the table teacher. Okay, then this department code is an attribute, or that is the primary key. This attribute is the primary key of the department table. So by adding the foreign key department code to the teacher table, we can create a relationship between two tables. Okay, there is a relationship between two tables that is created by adding a column, that is department code, to the teacher table. So in the teacher table, this department code is known as the foreign key, and in the department tables, this department code is known as primary key. This is the primary key of the department table and this is the foreign key of the teacher table. Then this foreign key of the teacher table refers to the primary key of the department table. Okay, because of that we can create the relationship between two tables. This concept in DBMS is known as referential integrity constraints. Okay, we will discuss referential integrity constraints under the topic in constraints in database management system. Okay, in detail I will explain later video. So just understand what is the foreign key database management system and how it is used to connect the two tables in relational database management system. Okay. In the last classes, we studied the keys in DBMS that is applied to the only one tables. There is no the concept of reference or relationship between two tables. It is applied for only a particular table. But in the case of foreign key, this is added to create the relationship between two tables. So it is the just a constraint between two tables. Okay. That is this concept is associated with the referential integrity constraints. So just understand what is the foreign key. Foreign key is a column that is added to the one table and that refer to the primary key of another table. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.